So I just got this Mac Mini delivered, and as you can see, it's in a fairly small box. You know, it's not that big. Let's see if we can get some of the specs here. So here are the specs on the Mac Mini. It has 8 gigabytes of RAM, 256 gigabytes of solid state drive memory, 2 Thunderbolt USB 4 ports, HDMI 2.0 port, 2 USB-A ports, an Ethernet port. Also has 3.5 millimeter headphone jack, which is, I guess, would be an 1/8 inch jack, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth built in. The Mac OS on this is Big Sur. Size of this is it's 1.4 inches thick by 7.7 wide and long. Yeah, it's actually super small. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and unbox this. Let's see here. And as you know, Apple always does a great job with their packaging. I mean, this one, super simple. Pretty much just like the iPhones. Here it is. So you can see it comes, you know, with, let's see what's in here. Setup instructions, sticker, explains how to set it up to a display. I'm just going to hook it up to my TV, so that's going to be my display for now. There's 2 TVs in here, so I should be able to get it going on something. And then the power cord. So very simple, you know. So I figured this is a good option. It's a powerhouse. I did, you know, a lot of reviews before, you know, I listened to a lot of reviews before picking something, because this is the first new computer I've had, honestly, since 2010. I bought, let's see. Yeah, I bought a Gateway all-in-one touchscreen, and it lasted forever. I mean, I still have that computer, but it's a little outdated. A little bit. Just a little bit. So, kind of peeling off all this stuff here. And as you can see, that's the back side of it. So you have your, you know, your power cord goes in there, Ethernet, and then you have a couple Thunderbolt connections, and HDMI, and then 2 USB ports. Got a little headphone jack, and then you can see here you have the ventilation, so it can pump out the heat. And then you can see on the base it has like a nice little stand for it to go on. that's pretty much it. I mean, it's a pretty simple setup. Plug it in just like that. Yeah, that's the computer. I will have it up and running here shortly. So yeah, here it is set up. This is just a sleep screen. You can see it's basically a computer. You know, you have all your different apps down here on the bottom. Your typical computer stuff here at the top. You see, it's pretty fast, you know, loading things up. I'm actually editing the first part of this video here, so you can see, you know, pretty easy programs to use. I'm gonna get, you know, Photoshop and Illustrator and all that stuff. It's kind of, it kind of sucks that it's a subscription-based app, or apps, I should say. But either way, this thing is pretty awesome. And still trying to figure it out. It's been a while since I've actually had. I've never had a Mac computer, but yeah, I've always had Apple products, iPods and iPads and iPhones, so yeah, I like it. I would suggest it if anyone's going out to get a new computer and they don't know what to get. This thing is actually pretty awesome. So it links up with your iPhone and your other Apple devices. So it's pretty badass. All right, I hope you guys like this video. I'm just kind of trying to do some reviews on some stuff that I think is pretty cool.